to subscribe to our events calendar, you may receive this link in your mail, or you can come directly to the announcement channel on Telegram. There you click on the link. Once you click on the link and you see, I get a warning that I might have already, because on my computer I already subscribed to the calendar, but it doesn't disturb. You just need to add to your calendar, and right here I'll choose to add it to my Google calendar. So take a little time to load. You see, yes, that's the lightning chat we had yesterday with Sharaf Jivan. So you just click here, add. Once you click the add, then it is, you can go to, let's look at the 4th of March. It says calendar added, you get that message. So if you want to look at the 4th of March, so we'll go to March 2022. Let me click on the 4th, and then you will see all the activities that we plan on Friday. You'll see all of them. Everything is there. Teach to Reach Connect. It appears several times on my calendar because I have added it several times on different devices, but for the sake of this tutorial, that's why I just had to add again for you to see it's how to add our events to your calendar in 3 simple steps.